Assalamu alaikum students, it's grammar class 6 chapter number 10 abstract nouns. In chapter number 9 we have read about concrete noun, four kinds of concrete noun: common, proper, collective and material. Now we have abstract nouns. We will read what is abstract noun. We know that the word abstract means having no material form. Having no material form. There are names given to things that have no material bodies. These things are not concrete but abstract. They include names of actions, feelings, qualities, states, arts, subjects, skills, and games. Without body, without any material, names of those things is called abstract noun. Words stating actions are called verbs. So abstract nouns include nouns from the verbs. Words expressing qualities, words expressing states, names of art, subject of study, games, crafts, skills and sciences are also abstract nouns. Here we have abstract noun. Formation of abstract noun. We will learn how we can form abstract noun from the verb. In column there is verb and now abstract noun. We will form abstract noun from verb. Act, action, admit, admission, advise, advice, agree, agreement, amuse, amusement, annoy, annoyance. Verb and abstract noun. Bear, birth, behave, behavior. Bless, blessing, break, breach, carry, carriage, choose, choice. Page number 47 now. Verb and abstract noun. Apply, application, arrive, arrival, attend, attendance, be, being, depart, departure, describe, description, dig, ditch, do, deed, elect, election, enclose, enclosure, exceed, excess, exit, existence, accept, acceptance, expect, expectation, float, fleet, flow, flood, fly, flight, go, gate, grow, growth, hate, hated, heal, health, injure, injury, invite, invitation, judge, judgment. Now you will see how we have make abstract nouns from the verb. Contain, content, decide, decision, defend, defense, define, definition, please, player, pray, prayer, preach, preaching, prepare, preparation, prevent, prevention, protect, protection, prove, proof, receive, receipt, refuse, refusal, remove, removal, save, saving, see, sight, sell, sale, serve, service, sit, seat, speak, speech, shake, shock, succeed, success, tell, tale. This is page number 47. You will learn these verbs and abstract noun from here. Open next page. Page number 48. Know, knowledge, laugh, laughter, learn, learning, lend, lawn, marry, marriage, move, movement or motion, obey, obedience, object, objection, offend, offense, oppose, opposition, pay, payment. Next column. Try, trial, think, thought, treat, treatment, understand, understanding, utter, utterance, vary, variation, wave, web, wed, wedding, weigh, weight, withdraw, withdrawal, write, writing. Okay. Note, there are verbs which can be used as as abstract nouns also. Verbs can be used. Verbs, here we have learnt formation of abstract noun from the verb, but note is here, some verbs can also be used as it is. We can use as abstract noun. We will read, I often walk up. Walk is a verb and abstract noun as well. Walk up to my school. Okay, a brisk morning walk is very useful. Here walk is as like abstract noun. Some other such verbs are given below, same as we have read walk here. Cry, regret, taste, desire, respect, talk, fall, write, want, fear, stay, work, help, talk, love, look, mark, step. These are basically verbs and we can use them as abstract noun as well. B part. From adjectives. In previous columns we have read about formation of abstract noun from the verb. Now we will learn how we can form abstract nouns from the adjectives. Able, ability, active, activity, bitter, bitterness, bold, boldness, mild, mildness, minor, minority, moist, moisture, near, nearness. Same you will read by your own self from page number 49. Formation of abstract noun from adjectives. Now C part. Nouns and abstract nouns. Nouns, abstract noun. Nouns, abstract nouns. We will read how we will form abstract nouns from the nouns. Okay, agent, agency, baby, babyhood, beggar, beggary, bond, bondage, boy, boyhood, brother, brotherhood, burglar, burglary, captain, captaincy, carpenter, carpentry, child, childhood, coward, cowardice, dichot, devil, devilry, enemy, enmity, friend, friendship, hero, heroism, hut, hutment, scholar, scholarship. Same case in this column you will learn subjects. Now D part. Some subjects are also in the category of abstract noun, just like astrology, astronomy, biology, chemistry, English, geography, and furthermore you can read arts, architecture, music. You can read from page number 50 and 51. Games. Games are also comes in abstract noun. Cricket, football, basketball, hockey, and furthermore all games. Skills. Drawing, carpentry, engineering, and weaving. These are all comes in abstract noun. Okay, now you will read today's lesson. Okay, Allah Hafiz.